Hybrid energy storage system based EVs require multiple power interfaces. Solar PV charging through a 3-port isolated converter, grid based charging through an AC to DC stage, and an ultra capacitor battery interface via a dedicated DC to DC converter. But relying on multiple separate converters increases hardware, adds switching stages, and reduces overall power density. To address this, a current fed coadaptive bridge converter or CFQAB emerges as a powerful alternative. It consolidates functions into a single isolated stage, reducing device count, offering ZVS, and ensuring galvanic isolation. Yet, CFQABs aren't without challenges. Multiple ports mean more interaction and dynamic power imbalance can arise.
Managing power across multiple ports in a current fade coadaptive bridge converter isn't easy. But what if we could decouple the port interaction? Hi, I'm Rajat Kumar Shukla from Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Bombay, India, a senior PhD scholar working on decoupled control of current fade coadaptive bridge converter.
Here's the hardware prototype. It includes a current fade input bridge and 3 voltage fade output bridges. Each bridge has 4 switches. 2 different ratings of GaN-HEMT devices are used. A 4-winding transformer interconnects the bridges. The control algorithm is implemented on a Texas Instrument F2A335 DSP, which manages the system in real time. The control structure is shown on screen. The simulated results show load currents on top and load voltages below for ports 2, 3 and 4. This compares the CFQAB converter operating with and without the proposed decoupled controller. The current fed bridge without decoupling, a disturbance on one port causes noticeable imbalance on the other. With the proposed controller, voltage deviation across ports are significantly reduced.
Now let's look at the hardware results. Here, the converter is currently operating in open loop mode. What you are seeing are the switch node voltages for the source port and load ports. This line represents the zero phase shift reference line. Let me show you a phase shift here. You can observe a shift in the switch node voltage waveform. Changing the phase shift changes the timing of the waveform, and that controls the amount of power transferred between source to the load. This demonstrates the fundamental principle of power transfer in current fade coadaptive bridge converter.
I'm grateful to IEEE providing this interactive platform through the SYPA contest to share my research with the global community.